The deepest ocean trenches are like the scars on the Earth's surface, marking where two tectonic plates have collided. But, as the old saying goes, where there's smoke, there's fire. Well, in this case, where there's a trench, there's ancient seafloor. And it turns out that the Earth's oldest seafloor may also be its smoothest. It was discovered thanks to a supervolcano eruption in 1960, and then verified by an underwater expedition in 1991. It's over 200 million years old and more than 5 kilometers deep. The Pacific Plate is diving under the Philippine Plate, pushing that slab of crust down into the mantle. And because these plates don't move very fast, that's a really slow process. So this trench has been forming for quite a long time. And while we know the general layout of the ocean floor, we still haven't managed to map this area in much detail. That's why researchers were pretty excited when they got their hands on some new data. Researchers used high-resolution bathymetric data collected from a 2019 expedition to map the Mariana Trench. They found what could be the world's oldest seafloor, a huge flat area at the bottom of the Mariana Trench in what appears to be one of the longest gaps in the geologic record. Here the seafloor is older than 200 million years. And since seafloor spreading can tell us how old the seafloor is, we can use that to figure out how long it's been since the Mariana Trench formed. And based on this discovery, the researchers think it might have formed about 50 million years ago. That's about twice as old as previously thought, which means that the Pacific Plate is moving roughly 4 centimeters per year. So far, this discovery has only provided a rough estimate of the age of the ocean floor. To confirm it, scientists need to drill through the sediment and rock layers to reach the seafloor. But the problem with drilling in the Mariana Trench is, well, it's really deep. That makes it hard to get equipment down there. Luckily, scientists didn't need to wait too long to learn more because in 2023, they got a sample of the seafloor, and they learned that it's actually older than they originally predicted. It's about 240 million years old, making it the oldest seafloor ever discovered. This discovery has shocked the scientific community. Scientists now realize that our models of plate tectonics may need to change. These new findings suggest that the Earth's interior is even more dynamic than we previously thought. As it turns out, the seafloor in the Mariana Trench is smoother than expected, which was a bit of a surprise for the scientists. See, ocean trenches are known for being rugged landscapes with steep slopes, deep canyons, and giant mountains called guyads. The Mariana Trench is no exception. It has all those things. But at the very bottom, there's a massive flat area. And that's what's so interesting. To learn more about this unexpected feature, scientists conducted experiments to determine the mechanical properties of the crust. In particular, they wanted to know the crust's rigidity, or how rigid it was. They did this by dragging a weighted device across the seafloor. They hoped to see signs of folding and faulting, but they didn't. Instead, they saw that the seafloor deformed elastically. That just means that it basically bounced back after being squished. This suggests that the crust is stiffer than scientists expected, which raises some questions. Like, how does the seafloor maintain its smoothness? And why is it so stiff? One possible explanation is that the seafloor has been cooled and hardened by the intense pressure and temperatures at such great depths. Another possibility is that the seafloor is made of a special type of rock that's naturally more rigid. Whatever the reason, scientists are excited to learn more about this unexpected discovery. They hope to use these new findings to improve our understanding of how the Earth's interior works and to develop better models of plate tectonics. So why do we care if the Earth's oldest seafloor is a little bit smoother than expected? Well, understanding the properties of the seafloor is important for all sorts of reasons. For example, it helps us understand how earthquakes happen. When two tectonic plates collide, the seafloor can help to distribute the stress and energy along the plate boundary. This can help to predict where earthquakes are most likely to occur and help us to prepare for them. Understanding the seafloor also helps us explore for resources. For example, we know that black smokers, these amazing underwater ecosystems, thrive near deep seafloor vents. These vents release chemicals from the Earth's interior that support unique communities of bacteria and other organisms. And because these organisms are adapted to such extreme environments, they may hold secrets to things like medicine and energy production. Finally, understanding the seafloor is just plain cool. It gives us a window into the Earth's history and helps us understand the processes that shaped our planet. Plus, who doesn't love a good mystery? In 2024, the scientific team will head back to the Mariana Trench to continue their investigation. They'll use a variety of techniques to map the seafloor in even greater detail and search for signs of past volcanic activity. They'll also collect more samples of the seafloor to study its composition and age. In addition to helping us understand the Earth's interior, this discovery could also help us protect the environment. For example, we know that deep seafloor ecosystems are fragile and easily disturbed. By studying the seafloor, we can learn more about these ecosystems and how to protect them from human activities. Overall, the discovery of the world's oldest seafloor is a major breakthrough for scientists. It raises all sorts of new questions and challenges our understanding of the Earth's interior. But it also gives us a unique opportunity to explore and learn more about our planet. So keep your eyes peeled for more updates from the Mariana Trench. Thanks for watching! We've made thousands of educational videos over the years, and we've been able to offer them for free because of our patrons. So, to all of our patrons, thank you for what you do to make this happen. If you're not a patron, but you want to learn more about what that means, you can go to our support page. There's lots of cool stuff there. You can check out our community posts, you can watch the making of one of our videos, and you can even watch the live streams that we do for our patrons. Okay, so before we end this video, we have a favor to ask you. You see, when people search for science videos on YouTube, it can be tough for our videos to show up. We've worked hard to make our videos as good as they can be, but we need your help to get people to watch them. So please take a moment to like this video and leave a comment. That'll help other people find our videos and support us in our quest to bring you the best science videos possible.